Hello, good evening, students. Let us try to have the all the chemical reaction of alcohols, phenol, and ether in the very short and precise way, students. We are going to understand that is all the chemical reactions of alcohols, chapters, phenols, and ether, students. So first of all, we are going to understand that is methods of preparation of alcohol. Methods of preparation of alcohol. Preparation of alcohol. So dear students, how can you be able to prepare the alcohols, dear students? Okay, so here the first method, if you are talking about a student, from the hydrolysis of alkyl halide. Okay, so if you are having the alkyl halide, dear student, and you take that is aqueous KOH, so here it will go undergo substitution reaction, it will give that is ROH. That is the first method. Second method, if you are doing, student, by reduction of carbonyl compound. So suppose if you are having RCHO and you take that is normal reducing agent lithium aluminum hydride, okay, in the ether solution, student, okay, and followed by that is H3O plus hydronium ion. So it will give, student, what? It will give RCH2 and OH. Okay, this is the alcohol. Suppose if you are having that is ketone is there, student, RC double bond O, and here is R, and the same reagent you are following, student, what? Lithium aluminum hydride ether in the presence of H3O plus H, so it will give R. Okay, this will be the CH, here will be the OH, and here is the R. So 2 degree alcohol you will be able to get here, and this is the what, student? 1 degree alcohol. Now let us move out the third method of preparation. If you are having the acid, student, okay, so acid also you can prepare here. So this is RCOOH is there, student, and the same you are taking that is LiAlH4, student, okay, and that is second one is you are taking H3O plus. So what it will give, student? It will give RCH2OH. This is the first, and again if you are taking RCOOR, student, and the same reagent you are going to take, student, that is LiAlH4, and here is H3O plus. So what it is going to give, student? It is going to give alcohol to different alcohol it is giving, student. Suppose you are having that is acid chloride, student, fourth number, this is the fourth number, here this will be the fifth number. So we are having RCOCl, dear student, and you are treating with the LiAlH4 and H3O plus. So you see what the compound you are going to get. So it will going to get RCH2 and it will be OH, student. Suppose you are having the ester, students, okay, anhydride, not ester, anhydride. So sixth number you see RC double bond O, here is O, and C double bond O, and here is R, and you are going to treat with the lithium aluminum hydride followed by hydrolysis H3O plus. So it will directly it will give, student, what? That is 2RCH2OH. This is what is the alcohol we got, student. So 6 method we understood, student. Now what the other method, that is from the Grignard reagent also you can prepare, student. So let us have a move over that is the 7th number. That is if you are having that is RMgX, student, and you are treating with the HCHO, okay, followed by that is hydrolysis, student. So it will give that is 1 degree alcohol, okay. If you are having that is RMgX, okay, and if you are treating with the CH3 C double bond O and CH3 ketone, so right, so H2O is there and H plus is there. So what the compound it is going to give, is on R, here is OH, here is CH3, okay, this is the CH3, and downside it should be R. So this is the 3 degree alcohol, students, right? Now what we are doing, from the hydration of alkene is there, student, okay. So hydration of alkene also you can prepare, that is the alcohols. So it is having RCH double bond CH2, and you are adding that is H2O in the presence of H2SO4. So what it will give student, it will give RCH, here will be the OH, here will be the CH3. okay, so this is the 2 degree alcohol we are getting. I know next number student, okay, that is what is the ninth number. It is the hydroboration reaction. So that is, here is CH3 is there, CH double bond CH2, and if you are adding, that is B2H6. Here is the in the presence of H2O, and followed by that is H2O2. So that is 1 degree alcohol you will get student, hydroboration oxidation reaction. So this is the method. Another method is what they are student from the inorganic chemistry. You can prepare from the carbonyl carbon monoxide on reaction with the dihydrogen. So in the presence of ZnO, and that is Cr2O3, and that is temperature 700 Kelvin to 700 Kelvin and 200 atm pressure. So it will give CH3OH, dear students. Okay, now that is from the saponification reaction also you can prepare, that is RCOOR is there, and you are treating with the NaOH. So it is going to give, that is side product student, RCOONA plus ROH it is giving. So again you are going to get, that is alcohol student. Now what we are going to understand student, that is we are going to learn about the chemical properties of alcohol. So these many are the student method of preparation. Now let us move about the chemical properties. Okay, so if you see, that is chemical properties, dear student, what are the chemical properties of alcohol are there student. So here I am taking C2H5OH, and if you are treating with the HI with the red phosphorus, okay, so what the compound it is going to give student, it is going to give students, that is it is going to reduced. Okay, alcohol is going to reduce, and it will give, that is alkane it will give student. Okay, so it will give, that is C2H6. okay, it will not give C2H6, dear students, it is going to give, that is C2H5 and I, this compound will be giving. If you are treating with this alcohol with what student, NH3, so what a compound it will give, that is C2H5 and NH2 you will get, right? If you are treating with the I2 and NaOH, okay, I2 plus NaOH, so what is, you will get CHI3, right? If you are treating this with the PCC, so you will get, that is CH3CHO. If you are treating with, that is K2Cr2O7, K2Cr2O7, so that is you will get, that is acid. If you are treating with the concentrated H2SO4 student, so that is it will give, that is C2H5HSO4. okay, if you are treating with the dilute H2SO4 student, okay, so dilute H2SO4 it will give, that is ether CH3 CH2O CH2 CH3, but temperature we have to maintain 410. If you are increasing the temperature 433 Kelvin, okay, this is also Kelvin, so it will give the alkene student, right? If you are treating concentrated H2SO4 under reduced pressure, okay, so that is the concentrated H2SO4, and this is what student under reduced pressure. So what will be there student, here is CH3, this is CH2 twice, and SO4 is there, this. If you are talking about the next reaction, what is there student, H2SO4 is there, 0 degree Celsius. So what the compound, CH3, this is CHO, here is H, here is H, this is the positive charge, okay, and here is the outside it will be there student, HSO4 minus ion. Anhydrous, if you are having that anhydrous calcium chloride, okay, CaCl2, so it is also going to give CaCl2 dot 4C2H5OH it will give student. If you are having the Grignard reagent RMgX, so it will give, that is RH. If you are treating with the Na, so that is it will going to give C2H5ONa. So this is all about the chemical properties of the alcohol, dear student. Now what we are going to study, we are going to study that is preparation phenols. So now the next topic is we are having, that is what, student? This is the phenol. So firstly we are going to study the methods of preparation. The first method, if you are going, student, so we are having C6H5 N2Cl, and you are treating with the, what you are going to treat with the water, student. No, you are taking with the H2O, and we are having what, student? That is concentrated H2SO4. So it will give student C2H5OH. This is first. Now the second one is, student, if you are going for the alkyl fusion of benzene sulfonates, so if you are having, that is C6H5SO3Na, and you are treating with the what, student? NaOH. Okay, SO3H is there, so it will directly it will give C6H5 and OH. If you are having Grignard reagent, student, third number, C6H5 MgBr is there, student, and you are treating with the O2 followed by H2O H plus, so it will give, student, C6, this is H5, and this is OH. On industrial scale it is prepared by what, student? Okay, third method, C6H5, it is there CH, and CH3 it will be, that is twice. So first method is what, it will be there O2, and second method is H3O plus. So what will be there, student? C6H5OH plus it will give, student, CH3 twice CO. Okay, this is the cumene process, right? So from the cumene you are going to prepare. Next one, if you are having, that is C6H6, and you are passing O2 in the presence of B2O5 catalyst 315 degrees Celsius, so it will give C6H5, that is OH. If you are having C6H5Cl and treating with the what, student? NaOH, 300 atm pressure is there, so it will give, that is C6H5OH, student. That is known as DOS process. Okay, so these are the methods of preparation of the phenol, student. Now let us move the chemical properties of phenol. That is very important. Chemical properties of phenol. Properties of phenol. So we are going to understand chemical properties of phenol, right, student? So what are the chemical properties, student? The first one you are going to see, that is we are having the phenol. Suppose I am writing this way, here is OH. So first reaction you are going to study with what? That is 3Br2 and H2O, bromine water test. So bromine water test if you are doing, students, so that is white precipitate you will get, student, white PPT of what? That is tribromophenol. So here is Br, here is Br, and here is Br, tribromophenol. If you are treating with what, student? This is the FeCl3. So pure purple color you will get the complex, so FeOC6H5. Okay, and this will be what, student? That will be the 3 times. So this is the purple color, this will the purple color, right? Now the next one is, student, if you are treating Br2 in CS2 solution, so what will be able to get, student? That is ortho and para product you are going to get. So it will be, that is OH is there, and here is the Br will come out, students, right? Now if you are treating this with the C6H5 benzoyl chloride, student, so that is Scott-Bauman reaction it will give. So C6H5O C6H5O CO C6H5 you will get, that is okay. So this is also the one product, student. If you are treating with the dilute nitric acid, okay, dilute HNO3, so what will be giving, student? Here will be that, okay, here the compound you will get, student, here is OH, and that is downside it will be NO2 group is there. If you are having the concentrated NO2, concentrated HNO3, so that is what is, that is you are going to give here is OH. This is the NO2 group, this is NO2, and this is NO2 group. Okay, now what we are going to understand, next one is there student, that is C6H5 and 2Cl is there. Okay, with NaOH you are treating. So what the compound you are going to get students, here is the red diazo compound you will get student, C6H5N double bond N, and here will be that is diazo compound. If we are having that is Riemann-Tiemann reaction, we are going student, so we are treating with the chloroform with the NaOH, so it will give what it is going to give student, here will be that is OH, and here will be that is CHO. Okay, if you are treating with the what student, that is CCl4 is there and NaOH is there, so what you are going to get student, here you are going to get that is carboxylic acid. That is also the example of the Riemann-Tiemann reaction student. Now what we are going to study Kolbe reaction. So in this one, in the Kolbe reaction, if you are treating NaOH, okay, carbon dioxide and dilute HCl, so that is from this one you will get that is what, that is carboxylic substituted, that is salicylic acid. If you are taking with student that one chromyl chloride CrO2Cl2, so it will give that is benzoquinone student. This is going to give student benzoquinone. Okay, so this is all about the chemical properties of the phenol. Now next one is this, we are talking about the ethers students. Okay, so first of all we are going to prepare the method of preparation, and then we will move slowly, that is chemical properties, dear student. So let us have a look over the methods of preparation of ethers. So firstly we are writing student preparation. This is the preparation. Okay, so preparation is what is there student, CH3 CH2OH, right? And if you are treating with what student, that is H2SO4 413 Kelvin, so it will give student C2H5O C2H5. This is the what student, this is the ether. Next one is there student, we are having RX plus RONA. So William some synthesis ROR you will give, and you will get that is NaX, right? Now next one is there hydrogen halide. Okay, reaction with chemical properties we are going to watch now. Chemical properties. So chemical properties, some chemical properties are very important student. So here is we are having that is ROR. Okay, and you are treating with that is HX, so it will give student RX plus ROH you will get. Another we are having that is ROR, and if you are treating with that is what student, HX, and this will be that is, if it is the excess, so it will give that is R2RX plus it will give that is water molecule. Suppose it is the aromatic ether student, C6H5OR is there, and you are treating with the HX, so it will give that is phenol student, so that is C6H5OH plus RX it will give student. Okay, now the next one is the electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction we are going to study student. So that is, if you are, suppose we are having this one is anisole is there, OCH3, and you are treating with the Br2 student, so that is what that is, here is OCH3 is there, and you will get that is Br here. Okay, if you are having that is another, that is if you are taking that is Friedel-Crafts reaction student, so it will group the Friedel-Crafts reaction also, OCH3 is there, plus it will come CHCl3. Okay, no CH3Cl, wait students, so it is going to be CHCl3. Okay, let us have a look over students, something the problem happened. If you are treating with the Friedel-Crafts reaction, so here OCH3 there, plus it is that is CH3Cl, and you have to take that is catalyst anhydrous AlCl3. So what you are going to get is student here, that is any sol will be as it is, and downside it will be that is CH3 group. Okay, now if you are treating with the H2SO4 dear students and nitric acid, so nitration if you are doing the similar, it will give that is nitration also. So that is here is that is concentrated what H2SO4 is there, and concentrated what is HNO3 is also there. So what the product you are going to get is student, here is OCH3, and downside that is NO2 will be there as a major product dear students. So this is all about the chemical properties, method of preparation from the alcohol, phenol and ether student. Thank you so much for watching dear students. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe the students.